Good day, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our duplex terrace that we're working on, in the last episode, or the previous one, this is the ground floor plan, first floor plan, and this is the ground floor plan that we are developing. Yes, we can show the 3D. And now, I want to make a little adjustment. I used to tell you that whenever you are doing design, you may just come across something and decide to change it and give yourself another. So I'm going to expand this particular upper floor, especially the master room. So I want to work on that one and expand that space. So I'm going to break this into two by selecting this. Let's start now. So every other thing I'm going to do is going to follow that process. So I'm going to do it this way. So from here now, I'm going to bring it to the, let's say, almost to the middle. So now what I did here is simple. So I'm going to do the same thing here because I want to expand this family lounge. So I'm going to do that to family lounge by expanding it. So I'm going to select now. So my selection is, I'm going to select this, so select this and just select everything within that space, within the scope, and select this one as well. So what I'm doing here, okay, I've pushed this one to that level, so I'm going to push this one. Let me check the total distance. I think I've done what I need to do here. So 6.5. So I'm going to do the same thing here by selecting. I'm going to move it away from that grid. So I will just say move. So I'm going to say click, and then I will say this 150 by select enter. So that's us taking a leap away from that particular position. So I can now just edit this by dragging it away from there. So put it here. I will say okay, and then come here again, adjust this one. So I can now adjust this base edit, then I will move it to somewhere here. So let it be like that. So I'm going to click finish. Now I have a space now for the family lounge more than before. I just overtalked it and say okay, let me just change the way it looks. So adjust yourself towards that line, and then so that you'll be able to, so follow this step by step, you'll be able to get a lot of ideas together that we are working on. So that is in that aspect. So the next one, just click finish. You can now later adjust your wall and let it flow to the wall here. So let it come like that. So what have happened to this place is still the same way. So you just need to move. Now we have to align on this one so that I have the same balcony, because now you expanded, so I don't need to make it go inside here. So just need to fulfill what I've created. So I will join it together with this. Now I'll adjust this one, or let me push it this way. Just no matter anyhow you put, just create it. And having this window here by copying. So copy the window from edge and place it here. Okay, now that I have this window in this position, so what I did, I need to focus my attention, and I need to go to elevation and go and see how far it looks. So this is it from here. So expansion has come to this place. So what I just to meet up with this part, all I just need to do is to walk through the, just use this align, then brace it up from this side, and do the same thing here as well. And you see, so I think that aspect is done. So you do the same thing here too, and then join it together with this. So those parts are being connected together. So every other thing that we need to work on, so we're going to be doing that one step by step. So as I have created this one now, I need to do one thing. So I will need to work on the third floor. So I will say we fit to make the level 2. So from there we adjust what I need to adjust now. This is the part I need to work on. So I'm going to create this one, go this way. So while I submit from this to come here to come and meet me, that's the part in which I want. So I mean nothing wrong with every other thing, but just like I just want it to that way. So to do this one, I will do this one as well. So I will maintain that by editing this, then align it so it's the position where I want it to be. So just like move here, align. So create, then delete this one that are not in. So I'm going to do it that way. So otherwise, will not do anything to that. So sit and see how far. Except with this now, so I have issue here too. I need to work on it. So I will select, say align, and do that on the and it will work. So but no, when it will confuse me to do things in that way. So let me do enough alignment. So no, it's okay. So click finish and see. So don't attach. I don't need you to attach anything. So the elevation I've created, I think I'm loving it the way I'm seeing what I'm doing. So now let me go to the ground floor plan and go and do work I need to do there. So this one is going to be complete elevation work. So I'm going to drag this out. Then I drag this one out as well. Okay. So I've dragged them out now. Now I need to work on something, but not yet. So let me say from wall, in the wall now, stop wall. So I will use stop wall front, but not totally. But let me just use another. Okay, do it this way. It will be much better. So I just need, let me duplicate this. Duplicate it to work for 2. So by the time I'm adjusting it, so that you're not going to affect the existing one. I duplicate that, duplicate and say okay 2. Yes, now say okay. So I will adjust the height. So height is going to be 2400. I want it to be more taller than the normal. So this one is going to give me, I'm going to say 250 or not say 250. So let me just reduce this one to 2150. Okay, I think with that way. So I'm going to start from there and then drop it to think with that and we need to create what I need to create. So go to 3D then and see the fact of this now. Where is it? So now you can check around, check good everywhere and see that you are making progress with what you have created. So there's something you ask me why this one is this. I'm going to do that by closing them up together. So what I need here is I select this one and then you say just then click and let's it join together completely. So to pass it until you do it again to simple. So those aspects are coming up one and after the other. So that is the number 1 level of our. So I'm going to adjust this one to suit this place as well. So go down and say adjust. From 3D you can do that. So you're going to do any task data on behalf of anything. So I'm going to say select this. So when you click finish, whatever you add, this is it. Good. So I have issue because it's not touching. So go back to the, because of the way you did it that time. So adjust it back to the original position. Fine. So you select this and delete. So now you have this door in place. This here. You have the windows right there, just there. And you need to string this one a bit to go back inside. Then you expand the railing to cover the area and shrink it a little bit like this, so that you'll be able to adjust this block up and bring it here. Okay, I think with this now, elevation, the whole thing are coming up one after the other. So as I said, the elevation is what we need to focus attention on. So next thing I need to create is the coping part. So I'm going to create the coping now before I now start doing what is most important that I want to focus attention on. So now I will go back to level 3. Now from the level 3, I just want to remove the underlay, don't need it anymore. So I will say rig and say component model in place. So sub model in place now. I will say select place work, as you know that casework does not matter, you can use anything that's related. So I'm just using my casework for my own use alone. So sweep, say sketch. So from the sketch aspect that you do now, you sketch like this, you sketch this way, you sketch again, you sketch continuously, you sketch this, you sketch here, sketch, and you click finish. So edit profile, start elevation, open. So what you just need to do is just to get this thing done. So just bring it to a beautiful view that you can. So what is the distance here from here to here to understand the aspect too before you move on? So you just say, if something is wrong with what we did here. If this line is not aligned, so what is the issue? Okay, maybe this thing is hidden. Anyway, doesn't matter. Go to 3D and go and see for yourself whether those things are working. So click finish. Then you click finish again. See, it's above, which means that I'm not seeing what I'm doing. But it doesn't matter. So just go to start elevation now. Okay, it is hidden because of this. So we need to work on that. Expand this. Then let me see. Just expand it again. Should be able to do. By expanding the outing now, just click finish. Don't bother yourself. Already been confusion to you. So let's say not. I'm going to not. Okay. Now my issue is this. So I'm going to expand this map by dragging it up. See what I'm expecting. So, but it's not giving me what I want. So I have to drag it manually to be able to get to where I want to get to. So I will say remove phone constraint to drag it down. So if you have issue with that, that's how you do. Constraint removing will be the order of the day. So get it back to 3D and see. So when you go to start now, so set. So here we will move away from the X-ray. Just let me close that a bit. So now close it. So this is what I have now. So this is how far before the sign at this stage. So in the next stage now, we will build more aesthetic value and make it look more robust and more valuable. So this is the first view of elevation in relation to the front. So but this one I don't like the way it is. Let me go play with the editing. That I will come back, not come and start from it. So I will say provide and use this. So I want to bevel this edge bits. But I want it to be this different view when I'm doing the rendering. So I'm going to have the same color with it, which is what I want to do, but I want it to give me different edge and that other bend. So I'll see finish now. So the totality of what I'm creating will come to places. So I will see 2D, so I will fill it completely. So in the next tutorial we work upon this window, then other aspects of the exhibition and the steps, environments, extra particular. So that's how we do. Thanks for watching. Stay patient with us on what we are doing on daily basis. So subscribe to the channel so that we could go together and move on. Thanks so much. God bless you.